here are the answers to our spaghetti bridge project. For starters, what were the experimental variables?
So experimental variables are independent and dependent variables that are changed and they react to change in an experiment.
All right, in our design, which was the independent variable and which was the dependent variable?
So the independent variable was the number of strands of spaghetti, and the dependent variable was the number of beads that each strand was able to hold.
So what variables need to be controlled in our experiment?
So we're going to want to control the gap between the tables, the shape of the bridge, the placement of the cup on the bridge, the cup and the string that hold the beads will both have to be standardized, and the loading technique for the beads will have to be standardized as well.
All right, what is the best way to show our data?
So to show our data, the best way would be a data table as well as a scatter plot, and we will have one column of data for the number of noodles and one column for the number of beads that they were able to hold.
All right, what steps could we take to reduce experimental error?
Pretty much we can reduce error by following the labeled controls, and that's pretty much it.
All right, how many data points should we have taken at a minimum to create a graph that may be used for predictions?
We're going to want at least 5 points.
Should our best fit line go through the origin? If not, what is the meaning of our y-intercept?
So the line of best fit will not go through our origin because while we are measuring the number of beads that it could hold, those beads carry weight, and that's what we are really after. And the cup and string both have a set weight that they will pull on the noodles no matter what.
How do you calculate the slope of our best fit line?
So we can calculate that just by using rise over run.
All right. What is the equation of our best fit line?
We determined our equation for our line of best fit to be y equals 20x plus like 2 or 3.
What units are our experimental variables measured in?
So the x-axis will be measured in the number of noodles that it has, and then the y-axis will be the number of beads that it was able to hold.
All right. What is the meaning of the slope of our best fit line?
So the slope of our line of best fit will be about how many beads one noodle can hold up.